If you're having trouble with voice chat in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and set it up correctly. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is functioning properly. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your system settings and check the audio input settings to confirm that the correct microphone is selected and that it is not muted. Step 2. Adjust in-game voice chat settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the audio or voice chat settings and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Also, check the volume levels for both incoming and outgoing voice chat. Step 3. Verify network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for voice chat to work. Check your network status and ensure you have a strong connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for better stability. Step 4. Update your gaming system. Ensure that both FIFA 24 and your gaming system, console, or PC are updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve voice chat issues. Check for updates in the game in your system settings. Step 5. Restart the game and device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve technical issues. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart your gaming device. After rebooting, launch the game again and check if the voice chat is working. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.